Hello, this is Rick Darlington. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cut the video with the Shotcut, one of the best video editing software for both Windows and Mac. To start with, you could just download and run this website, run this software on your computer. Now, after running it on your computer, you could just import a video file by typing the open file. For example, here I just select a video clip called the sunset and just select it to import it to the software. Now, here you could just drag the video to the timeline. Just select it and drag it to the timeline. If you cannot drag the video file, they could just right-click the mouse and end audio track or some end the video tracks. Now, when you select this video file, you could also just remove this bar to extend or just to reduce the video the timeline, so that you could edit or cut the video much more convenient. So here, to cut the video with the Shotcut, you could just first play the video, and when the pointer moves to the place where you want to cut the video, just right click and tap the split and playhead to split the video, or you could also tap this button called split and playhead to split the video. Or you could also just select the video and press SK on your keyboard to split the video. To cut the video, for example, just select the video and right-click the mouse and tap the remove button. Or you could also just select the video and press the delete button on your keyboard to delete it. So it's very easy to cut the video with the Shotcut free video editor. If you want to cut the audio file, it is also the same true. First of all, you could just import a audio file to the software, to the timeline. Now after that, you could just move the pointer to the place you want to cut the audio file and just right-click or just tap on this to split the video and press delete key on your keyboard to cut the audio file. So that is the tutorial about how to cut with the Shotcut, which is one of the best free video edit software. After you finish video editing, you could just export the video. To export the video, tap the file and then choose export video. Please note, you could choose different output video formats when you export with the Shotcuts. You can also change the resolution of the video and the aspect ratio. Please note the free Shotcut video editor also supports 4K resolution when export the video. So it's really very cool to edit the videos with the Shotcut free video editor. If you have some more questions, just leave a comment and let me know.